friends, this is Partho, and today we will learn how we can restrict access to our Google Drive folder. Only that means I am going to say that only sir and you will access the folder, no anyone other. We will go to shared 9C copy on Google Drive app on our phone. Then we will find our folder. Here is our folder. We will tap on the folder, click on the 3 button on side and go to details and activity. Then on details and activity we will click on who has access. So small arrow you are seeing, click on the small arrow. You can see anyone with this link can edit. That means if you share this link with anyone, he can gain access to your folder. So to change this, we will click on change. We will click on the restricted. Then only you can view your folder and only sir can view your folder. So if you see some extra people gaining access to your folder here, I have removed them. So you can simply click on them, means tap on them and then click on a remove button. I am not going to remove sir, only sir can see this. So subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye.